Flying the friendly skies is even better when you get a rock-bottom fare, right? You may have noticed there's some pretty good airfare deals out there right now. Hopefully Aunt Carol doesn't know. She keeps bugging me to fly out to see her and her cats. Airline industry analyst Robert Mann tells MarketWatch that the reason flight costs have decreased over time is due to comfort being sacrificed. Airlines are cramming 10 to 12% more seats on aircraft than they did in the past. Occupancy also approaches 90% on some flights. Planes are also fuel efficient and larger, and airlines are charging more fees for things like checked bags. Bureau of Transportation statistics show that average domestic airfares decreased from $414 in 2014, adjusted for inflation, to $346 in 2018. You may even notice crazy sales, like fares as low as $59 on Southwest. Experts tell USA Today you can take the vacations you want when you keep your eye out for cheap travel destinations. Smarter Traveler reports that airfares to New Zealand and Australia are down up to 30% from recent years. Morocco also made the list, with up to 32% off fares compared to past rates. So pack your bags and snag those rock-bottom fares. Just be sure to hide the drum you got at the souk from Aunt Carol when she comes to visit.